to Smarty, the Toddler TV.
Hello, little friends. Welcome to Smarty's house. Let's take a fun tour and see what's inside. This is a house. A house is where we live with our family. It has many rooms, and each room has different things. Let's explore together. First, we have the bedroom. A bedroom is where we sleep and rest. In the bedroom, there is a pillow to rest our head, a blanket to keep us warm, a wardrobe to store our clothes, and a lamp to give us light at night. Next, we have the living room. A living room is where we relax and spend time with our family. In the living room, there is a TV to watch cartoons, a sofa to sit and relax, a table for yummy snacks, and a bookshelf to keep storybooks and toys. Now let's go to the study room. A study room is where we read, draw, and do homework. In the study room, there is a bookshelf to keep books, a lamp to help us see clearly, and a table to sit and work. A kitchen is where we cook and prepare food. In the kitchen, there is a stove to cook meals, a fridge to keep food fresh, a sink to wash dishes, and kitchen utensils like spoons, forks, and plates for eating. Now let's see the bathroom. A bathroom is where we clean ourselves. In the bathroom, there is a sink to wash our hands, a toilet to use when needed, a bathtub for bathing, a towel to dry ourselves, and soap to keep us clean. Oh, look! This is the laundry room. A laundry room is where we wash our clothes. It has a washing machine to clean clothes, a laundry basket to keep dirty clothes, and a dryer to make clothes dry and fresh. And now we are in the garden. A garden is a beautiful place to play and enjoy fresh air. In the garden, there are trees that give shade, flowers that smell nice, and a sitting place to relax and enjoy the sunshine. We explored the whole house.
Thanks for watching Smarty, Toddler TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun. Bye-bye.